So occasionally you might recommend a structural inspection. What exactly is that? And tell us more.
Sure. Yeah, so home inspectors will look at the foundation and the roof structure and the wall structure of a property. And sometimes there are issues that we discover, actually a lot of times, on a day-to-day basis when we do inspections, whether it's related to electrical or plumbing or roofing, we will discover an issue and recommend that that issue or that condition be further evaluated or reviewed by a licensed professional. So at the end of the day, we're generalists. We're not an expert in electrical. We don't do it on a daily basis. We didn't go to school to be an engineer. So there are certain instances, especially with the foundation, that we would run into where maybe the foundation wall is bowing, right? And that is a defect with the foundation. Not an uncommon thing here in Ohio with our basements, but we would recommend either a licensed structural engineer, a PE, or a foundation contractor at a minimum to come in and evaluate and prescribe a repair and a method, okay? The benefit of having a licensed engineer observe or review something related to the structure as opposed to a contractor who works on those types of repairs is that the engineer is qualified to look at those sort of things, and you're also getting an unbiased opinion, right? If you went with a foundation contractor who does that kind of work, they might be able to provide you with a quote right on the spot,
right?
But they may not have the best method, right? So an engineer can look at that wall and say, here's exactly what needs to happen, or maybe they might say, they might endorse
There's a couple different ways that could be treated.
You can monitor this, as opposed to dropping $3 to $5 to more thousands of dollars on an issue that might not even need fixed, and that foundation contractor is just looking at, dollar signs.
Yep.
So it really just depends on the situation and what's going on, but not uncommon that we might recommend those individuals during the home inspection process.
Excellent, thanks.
Yep.